If you're looking for the best LED headlights in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll review the top 5 LED headlights available right now, covering their brightness, durability, beam patterns, and installation ease. Whether you want extreme brightness for night driving or long-lasting reliability, we've got you covered. All product links are in the description below. Now let's jump straight into the list. Number 1. Alla Lighting H11 and 9005 LED bulbs combo ear-sprung. First up, we have the ear-sprung H11 and 9005 LED combo bulbs with a jaw-dropping 100,000 lumens. These are 1,000% brighter than stock halogen bulbs. That means incredible night visibility and maximum safety. The plug-and-play design makes installation easy, even in tight spaces, without extra drivers or bulky bases. They also maintain a precise beam pattern, eliminating dark spots and preventing glare for oncoming traffic. Built from aviation-grade aluminum and dual copper substrates, these bulbs stay cool and last up to 70,000 hours. Plus, they're error-free for 99% of vehicles, making them one of the most reliable choices on the market. Number 2. Oxido 9008 H13 LED headlight bulbs. Next, we have the Oxido 9008 H13 bulbs. With 120 watts of power and a 6500K cool white color temperature, they deliver a crisp, daylight-like beam for clearer road visibility. They're compact, easy to install, and designed for strong front lighting performance. Oxido is well known for balancing performance with affordability, making this a great upgrade if you want a solid boost in brightness without overcomplicating installation. Number 3. Sealight S1 H13 9008 LED bulbs Terminator. Coming in third, the Sealight S1 H13 bulbs by Terminator bring an impressive 60,000 lumens per set with a 10x brightness boost over halogens. They're built with aviation-grade aluminum, a thermostatic copper plate, and a 22,000 RPM cooling fan, giving them a remarkable 75,000-hour lifespan. The beam pattern is highly precise. No dark spots, no glare, making them one of the safest options on the list. Their compact 1.1 halogen size ensures easy installation, even in tight headlight housings. Number 4. Farron H4 9003 HB2 LED headlights. At number 4, we have the Farron H4 9003 series, offering up to 70,000 lumens output and 1,200% more brightness than stock halogen bulbs. They feature an ultra-thin 0.03-inch profile for a perfect beam pattern with a clear cutoff line. No glare for oncoming drivers. With a built-in cooling system that includes a 9-blade fan, they stay cool and last over 60,000 hours. Best of all, these are true 1.1 halogen replacements, so installation takes just 3 minutes. No extra adapters required. Number 5. BeamTech LED headlights. Finally, we have the BeamTech LED headlights. Delivering up to 12,000 lumens with a 6500K color temperature, these are a simple, budget-friendly upgrade. Their inline upgrade design requires no external drivers or wiring harness, so installation is as simple as plug and play. While not as bright as the higher-end options, they're great for drivers looking for a reliable, affordable, and easy-to-install LED solution. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best LED headlights in 2025. From ultra-bright performance like the ear-sprung H11 9005 combo to budget-friendly picks like the BeamTech, there's something here for every driver and budget. All product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.